Hello, and welcome to HealthCheck's admin user video number 3, Summary Dashboards. This video is part 3 of a 5-part series on how to use HealthCheck Control, the admin dashboard of HealthCheck. This video will walk you through the basic trend reporting an administrator may see regarding their organization or facility in HealthCheck Control. First, and most importantly, HealthCheck Control is for facility and organization administrators. If you are hoping to learn more about how to use HealthCheck or submit health checks to gain access to a location, please go to https://support.stratumhealth.io for the user help video series. That series will be able to walk you through all aspects of HealthCheck's web-based and mobile device applications. As an administrator, understanding trends is critical to identify when a location may be experiencing a potential outbreak or uptick in the number of positive or potentially positive cases of COVID-19. These trends are easily accessible to administrators of HealthCheck Control using the summary dashboards or reports in HealthCheck Control. Let's begin. As you can see, I'm at the login page for HealthCheck Control. This, using my user credentials that I created in video 1, is Jeff Terwilliger 2020 at gmail.com. I enter in my password. Hopefully I got it right, which I did. That's good. And I come to a blank screen. That's intentionally blank. We don't want to share it with anyone. So we do then bring and open up the dashboard section. Now, there are some other sections here that we'll talk about at a later point, but for right now, we're talking about the summary dashboard portion of it. I have created some test cases, some test check-ins that have been happening. Did that today. And as a result of doing that today, you can see that I've got some very basic trend reporting that everything is 0 until February 19th. And at February 19th, I have 7 passes, 3 warnings, and 2 alerts. I can see that by date on a week, a month, or a 3-month window. And it really is nice to use so you can start to track out day by day, week by week, and month by month what that trend looks like. If I want to take a look at just the last 7 days, and it's always looking back 7 days in the week. It's not like a school week or a work week, but it is looking back 7 days. If I want to look back that 7 days, I can just open the quick checks per date and understand in a very quick glance what my entire environment looks like. If I'm an administrator of multiple facilities, like Jeff Terwilliger is, I can also narrow that down even further to look at just the elementary school and understand what those characteristics look like. In this case, it's 4 checks for the elementary school that have been passes, 2 that have been warnings, and 1 that's been alert. I could also come in here and just again set this back to none, and you'll see that the numbers then do change so that there have been 7 passes, 3 warnings, and 2 alerts. I can also compare this on a bar chart, facility by facility, and see what are the most utilized or the highest utilized checks in any given day, in a week, month, or 3-month window. I can also select my top 5, my top 10, or my top 15. In the case of the demo school district, there's only 3 locations, the elementary school, the middle school, and the high school. So that's all that's going to show up. They're not going to show you things that may not exist. I can also sort this down even further to look at just the elementary school and see what that breaks down as a bar graph if I would like to. And again, that filter will filter across both of these 2 options for checks. So for this point, we went through some very basic summary dashboards. In the next section, we'll begin to talk about what the organization dashboards will look like for organization administrators, followed by video 5, which is the facility administrators themselves. Thank you and have a good day.